It's Sunday night, and the dread begins to set in. The content treadmill is waiting. You're juggling a full-time job or running a business, and content creation feels like a second job you never get paid enough for. You need a new blog post. You need ideas for LinkedIn. You should probably send a newsletter. What are you going to post tomorrow? The pressure is relentless. You spend hours brainstorming, writing, and rewriting, only to end up with a few scattered posts and the certainty that you have to do it all over again next week. What if you could get off that treadmill for good? What if you could take one single idea and, in a single focus session, turn it into a full week of high-quality, interconnected content? This isn't just about saving time. It's about reclaiming your creative energy and finally getting ahead so you can spend less time creating and more time engaging and growing. Today, I'm going to show you the exact system to do it. We are going to start with a blank page, and using a strategic multi-phase process in ChatGPT, we are going to build an entire content campaign. Forget random prompts. It's time to build a machine. Phase 1, the foundation, from idea to pillar. Every great week of content starts with one strong pillar piece. For us, that will be a detailed blog post. But first, we need a powerful, unique idea. Step 1, the core angle prompt. The mistake most people make is asking for generic ideas. Give me ideas about productivity. That's useless. We need a unique angle. Let's say our topic is digital detox. Here's the prompt to find our unique spin. Act as a content strategist. My target audience is ambitious but overwhelmed professionals. I want to write about the topic of digital detox. Generate 5 unique and slightly controversial angles for this topic. For each angle, provide a catchy headline and explain why it would resonate with my audience. ChatGPT might come back with angles like why a weekend detox is a waste of time or the low-information diet, a better alternative to a digital detox. Let's choose that second one. It's specific and intriguing. Now for a crucial pro step, validating the angle. Before we write a word, we need to anticipate skepticism. For my chosen angle, the low-information diet, generate 3 potential objections or skeptical questions a reader might have. This will help me preemptively address their doubts in the article. This is a game changer. It ensures our content is not just creative, but persuasive. Step 2, the pillar post assembly line. Now we build our blog post. Never ever ask ChatGPT to write a blog post about X. We use an assembly line of prompts. First, the outline prompt. Create a detailed blog post outline for the title, The Low Information Diet, a better alternative to a digital detox. The outline should include a powerful hook, 3 main body sections with sub-bullets for examples and data, and a concluding call to action. Before we write, we perform a quick tone calibration. For the following article, adopt the tone of a knowledgeable but approachable mentor. Use clear, concise language and avoid academic jargon. Acknowledge that the reader is busy and get straight to the point. Please confirm you understand this persona. Once the AI confirms, we write the post section by section. Write the introduction based on the outline. Then write the first main body section. This gives us maximum control over quality. Finally, the SEO prompt. Act as an SEO expert. Analyze the completed blog post. Suggest a compelling meta description, a URL slug, and 5 relevant long-tail keywords to optimize the post for. And just like that, we have a complete, well-structured, and persuasive pillar blog post. Phase 2, the multiplier, repurposing the pillar. This is where we multiply our efforts. We're going to take our pillar post and strategically repurpose it across different platforms. Step 3, the conversational newsletter. A newsletter needs a personal tone. We transform our post with this prompt. Act as an expert email copywriter. Convert the following blog post into a personal, engaging newsletter. Use a conversational you-and-I tone. Start with a personal anecdote. Share the 3 core ideas from the post as actionable tips. And end with a thought-provoking question for the reader. A completely new asset, perfectly tailored for the inbox. Step 4, the LinkedIn carousel. For LinkedIn, we want visual and educational content. Turn the key arguments of my low-information diet blog post into a 7-slide LinkedIn carousel. Each slide should have a clear headline and 1 to 2 short, punchy sentences. Make it highly practical. Slide 1 must be a strong title. Slide 7 must be a call to action. This gives us a perfect script for a visual post. Step 5. The Twitter/X thread. Twitter demands a strong hook and rapid-fire value. Repurpose the core message of the blog post into a compelling 8-tweet thread for X. The first tweet must be a strong, controversial hook. The final tweet should ask an engaging question to spark conversation. The AI creates a thread that's designed for the platform. Step 6. The Instagram series. We can't forget Instagram. Let's create a multi-format series. Now repurpose the low-information diet blog post for Instagram. Create ideas for a 3-part post series. Part 1. A compelling reel script under 30 seconds, introducing the core problem with digital detoxes. Part 2. A 5-slide carousel post detailing the 3 key principles of the low-information diet. Part 3. A simple text-based graphic with a thought-provoking quote from the article and a caption that asks my audience to share their own experiences. Look at that. One pillar post has now spawned a newsletter, a LinkedIn post, a Twitter thread, and a 3-part Instagram series. That's the machine at work. Phase 3. The finisher. Visuals and scheduling. We have the words, but great content needs great visuals. Step 7. The AI art director. We need a consistent look and feel. Act as a creative director. For all the content we've outlined, suggest a visual theme, describe the color palette, font style, and the type of imagery or icons we should use. My brand, Mindful Maven, is minimal, clean, and inspiring. Ensure your suggestions align with this brand identity. By giving the AI our brand context, we get tailored creative advice, not generic suggestions. Step 8. The promotion plan. Finally, let's schedule our content week for maximum impact. Create a strategic content posting schedule for this week. Assign each piece of content, blog post, newsletter, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram series, to a specific day and time to maximize engagement with a professional audience in the U.S. Eastern Time Zone. The AI will lay out a logical schedule, telling you when to post what. The entire week is now planned. Let's pause and look at what we've done. We started less than 20 minutes ago with a vague idea, digital detox, and now we have a fully realized week-long content campaign, a 1,200-word SEO-optimized blog post, a personal newsletter, a LinkedIn carousel script, a high-impact Twitter thread, a 3-part Instagram series, a creative brief for our visuals, and a strategic posting schedule. We didn't just get random outputs. We guided the AI through a repeatable system. This is how you get off the content treadmill. You stop thinking post by post, and you start thinking in systems. So here is my challenge to you. Don't just save this video. Take one of your ideas, one you've been stuck on, and run it through this 3-phase workflow this week. Your challenge is to copy the system, not just the prompts. Then come back here and comment below with a link to just one piece of content you created using this method. I want to see the machine in action. Let's create a community of creators who work smarter, not harder. This is the system that works. Now go make it work for you.